Today we're going to clean some grout here using the Bissell Little Green Hydrosteam. Let's take a look at the grout here beforehand. We're going to go ahead and clean it up and see how well it does. We got some really dirty spots here. Let's see what we can do. For today, we are going to switch out the cleaning heads here. So instead of the scrub head here that I would use for carpet, I'm going to switch over to this scrub tool here. And it has the nozzles right here that are going to spray out. It's got harder bristles here. It actually has some right here. And then this piece right here is some hard plastic. But these bristles right here kind of be the ones that I am going to be scrubbing the grout with. And we're going to go ahead and get it plugged in, powered on, and let it warm up. When you plug it in and power it on, it takes about 30 seconds for the heater to warm up to give you steam. Our 30 seconds went by. We got the little light indicating that we are ready to steam, and then I just went ahead and jumped right in and started scrubbing. Now this entire time while I'm scrubbing in this video, I am pulling the trigger, so that is producing steam the entire time that I'm pressing and pulling that trigger, and then I'm scrubbing away. Now I did notice that there were not really any big puddles of water or steam, and I thought there might be, but the vacuum is doing a good job just kind of extracting and sucking up any steam or puddles of water as I'm going along here. And I'm just going right in the channel of the grout there. I tried a few different patterns, kind of going left and right, but it looks like just going straight forward and backward or up and down with this tool. It does a great job. Those bristles on the scrub tool are perfectly just fitting right into the grout and doing a really good job just kind of cleaning it up as I go along here, and then it's sucking up some of that dirty water as well. Now afterwards I did go along with the towel just to kind of wipe some stuff up, but overall it's doing a really good job at scrubbing and sucking up the dirty water at the same time. I'm really impressed with how well it's doing. And now I'm just kind of taking my time here. It is a little bit tedious, but overall it's a very simple project. There's really not a lot to it. So you're just going to pull that trigger, scrub, go backwards and forwards. Now I am wearing knee pads, so just something to consider. It helps protect your knees while you're down there scrubbing away, but it's doing a great job. It is doing a great job. As you can see here, this is the grout that I did clean. Over here, this is the stuff that I still haven't cleaned, and as you can see there, a big difference between the two, so it is doing a really good job. You can see that there. I haven't cleaned that grout there, and then as we look over here, big difference between the grout that I have and have not cleaned. It's doing a great job. I am impressed with how well it is working, and it looks so much better. A couple things I will say. First of all, I'm just using water in it. You don't have to use the cleaning solution in it when you're doing the steam function like this, so just water in it. Depending on where you live, if you've got hard water, you might want to use distilled water in it when you're using it as a steamer. I don't have hard water here, so I'm just using regular tap water, but something to consider. Also, this is about 15 square feet that I am cleaning right here. It took me about 10 minutes. It could take some time depending on how much you are doing. And then also pulling the trigger here on this sprayer, while it's not hard, just over time you do get a little bit of fatigue in the hands there. So I kind of swap out, so I'll scrub a little bit with this hand, then I'll switch over to the left hand, but I can feel a little bit of fatigue there. It's just like gripping something for a long period of time. It can get a little bit of fatigue there on the arms. Have the same issue when I'm doing lawn work and stuff, using some, of the accessories, the weed whacker and things like that. I have the same kind of issue, but just take breaks as you need to, but it is doing a good job and I'm happy with it. I've got a bit more to do here, so I probably got 2 more sections here. So another 20 to 30 minutes for me to clean up this whole bathroom here with the laundry room. So I'm gonna do that, but it is working really well. I am happy with it. I do have a tutorial on how to use this. It's the Bissell Little Green Hydrosteam if you wanna check it out. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.